Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf with something you need to know right now. This is a complete savings app. It's not Savings Highway Global, it's not Live Good, but it has the same exact compensation plan, if not better. And when I stumbled across this weekend, I was so excited. So let's show you what it is, all right? So it's Nexus Rewards, and everything's in the description of this video below, okay? So when you're done watching this, you can take action with the link below. You get your links here already, and I really stressed you going premium, which is only $9.95 a month, and you get paid $25 referral. Yeah, that's correct. Let me just show you here. If I go into my, and I just started marketing this yesterday. I just started sharing it with my friends and family. And actually, this isn't a friends and family that I'm sharing this with. Let me show you. I'll go over to my commissions, and I'll show you my pending commissions. And as you can see, this pays out every single week right here. $25 for a $9.95 savings app. So what do you get? What are we getting here in the Nexus in this Nexus app? The free bonus apps. You're getting Rack Tuning for free, Upside, and Fetch. But look at this. This is what I love about this. I don't want the potions and the lotions and things like that, folks. I want bill reduction, save money on your existing bills. I want discounts on my lifestyle benefits, right? I want, when I travel, when I do this, I don't want to put lotions on. Yes, lotions and potions are nice, and I have a small part of that here, but I don't like that. Also here, Nexus Shopping Boss app. Now this app is saving you money, and this is obviously optional. If you want to use Zoom, you don't have to do this. But this is everything you're getting, plus you're getting, and I'm so excited about this. I love saving money, folks. I love saving money. You're going to get a page that looks just like this. I'm going to click on right here. Boom, right here. You're going to get this page, and this is the page that's below. So when you go to this page, I just want you to, right here, I want you to watch this video, and then what we can do here is I want you to go through everything, okay? Apps and services, you can make thousands yearly. Get paid $34 on free signups, an additional $25 on paid signups. Yes, you heard me right. Get paid $35 on free signups. This is a no-brainer. So what you want to do right now, smash subscribe, hit that bell, go into the description below, and be sure to get involved with this, okay? A 3x10 force matrix. Yes, you could be underneath me, and all these YouTube videos, you're going to get overflow from me. 100% check match on your personal referrals. Yes, 100%. Dynamic 20% coded infinity bonus. So it gets crazier and crazier and better. And when you come down here, you could see all the testimonials here. You could join now. You can even get more info here. But what you're going to want to do is click join here right now. And all you're going to do is you want to review this. So let's take you through this right here, okay? Let's go here. So, all right, premium prescription, only $9.95, cash back and savings. Here's what you get. Global apps and services. Build a global business in over 150 cities. Personalized Nexus Rewards website. $25 fast track. 10 plus infinity referral bonuses. Pays weekly. Code. This is all coded to you. So once you create your account here, this is coded to you for life. Look at this. That pays up 3x10 matrix. That pays up to $2,460 a month. 100% check match. Okay. Leadership profit sharing. Yes. Next gen marketing. This is a no-brainer, and all it is $19.95 a month. Okay. Nexus benefits portal. Save 30, get 30 from cashback promotion. Save 67% on Zoom Enterprise. See, you can save on Zoom, folks. Yes, you can save on Zoom if you're using Zoom right now, just by being a member here. Save up to 40% on a movie, concert, museum, and theme park. You heard me right. Save 70% on shopping. Save 70% on electronics. Folks, if you haven't clicked the link in the description below, you're going to want to do right now. Save up to 70% on electronics. Come on, who doesn't like electronics? Save up to 75% on hotel and travel. Additional USA apps. Nexus bill reduction, phone, internet, heating, electric, everyday billing, okay? Everyday things. Cash back on gasoline, 15%, $30, $1. You know how much gas is now. 25% back on groceries. Come on, folks. We all go to the grocery store, all right? 90% on prescription medications. Save up to 40% on dining. Like me, I go out to lunch a lot. 40% on dining. Save up to $1,746 on automobile insurance. Save hundreds on your homeowners and rental insurance. Folks, it gets better. Or you could just do this, save on this, but you're going to come over here, become a premium member. You're going to click right here, and then you're just going to put you're in the United States, and all you're going to do is put your information in here, and you're going to click next. Folks, that is how easy this is. And you're going to get a whole customer portal like this as well. So you're going to see, I just started yesterday, so you're going to see total members here. You're going to get all your information here. Watch this video first. It's 2 minutes. It welcomes you aboard. See how you could get your double matrix check match. And then your link right over here, which is below, is in my description, is what you're going to have. I look forward to connecting with you. Also, I created a Telegram group for this. So be sure to get in my Telegram group. That link is below. And I hope you all have a great day. I look forward to connecting with you all. And be sure to make sure you come over here. Go to this link right here. Let's do a map here. Go to this link here. Click join now, right? You're going to click join now right here.
Welcome to the launch of the brand new Nexus Snap. This is the easiest and most lucrative opportunity I've seen in over 30 years.
And get started right
Imagine
here,
getting
folks.
25
that is
cents.
Exactly all you have to do. Make sure you put your if you have a business, if not, just your name, your first name, your last name. My username is RealView. That's what I picked. You're going to put your email in here, and you're going to get rocking and rolling, folks. All right? Again, let's do that again. You're going to go to this page right here. You're going to go over to this page right here. You're going to watch this quick video. That's 4 minutes. You're going to click join now. You're going to go through all this, everything I just went through. Then when you join now, you're going to click there. And folks, you're going to come right into here. I look forward to connecting with you. I'll see you on my next YouTube video.